Welcome to Learn French. Learn French is an easy and fun way to learn the French language. Today we are going to talk about verb avoir and how to use it in the present tense. Verb avoir means to have. It's an irregular verb. An irregular verb is a verb that doesn't follow the regular conjugation rules. So, avoir is the infinitive form. An infinitive form is the uninflected form of the verb before it's transformed with the different subjects and the different tenses. Just like verb to have, when we change it with the subjects and we say, I have, you have, he has, she has, etc., avoir will change the same way. So let's see how to conjugate verb avoir in the present tense with the different subject pronouns. J'ai, I have, tu as, you have, il a, he has, elle a, she has. As you see, il a and elle a have the same verb conjugation, unlike je and tu. J'ai, tu as. Nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have. Ils ont, they have, masculine. Elles ont, they have, feminine. And just like il a and elle a in the singular form, ils ont and elles ont have the same conjugation. A couple of observations about the pronunciation of some conjugations of verb avoir. As you see, we say j'ai and not je ai. We do this ellipse of the final e in je to avoid contact between two vowels. In that case, the final e in je and the initial a in e. So we have j'ai and not je ai. Also, with nous avons and vous avez, they are pronounced that way because of what we call in French la liaison. La liaison is like a bridge where we link the final silent consonant of a word with the initial first vowel of the next word. In our case, we're talking about the final S in both nous and vous, where we link it with the initial A in avons and avez. So we have nous avons, vous avez, and this Z sound is la liaison with the letter S. Verbe avoir is an important verb and it plays many roles, but we'll focus here on its uses in speech as a main verb. It's mainly used to express possession, indicating people. For example,
Elle a un frère. She has a brother.
Il a une sœur.
He has a sister.
or objects.
Vous avez une maison.
You have a house.
Tu as des livres.
You have books.
Il a une pizza.
He has a pizza.
Elle a une voiture.
She has a car.
Nous avons un stylo.
We have a pen.
Elles ont des cahiers.
They have notebooks.
Also, people may have something abstract, like an idea. For example,
Elle a une idée.
She has an idea.
I hope this was helpful. Now it's your turn to practice. Click on the link in the description box for a short quiz on verbe avoir. Merci, bon courage.